So here now the buckles are secured and the coat is now posable. Now it's time to paint him. Here is the final Hellboy. So we repainted his skin so now it matches his head and it's not pink anymore and it has like some shading in it already. So it's not plain either. And then the coat is now flexible. You can like sway it around. You added some wire. Oh, why was it moved? Whatever. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you the whole thing if I can figure out how to remove this again. Oh gosh, this is hard. Wait, hold on. So first, move the hands. Oh, there we go. There's the gun. So, and then, oh my goodness, it fell. That did not happen. Okay, then wow, shaded, and it's not pink anymore. Yeah. Okay, so okay, there. The coat. Yay. And to attach his arms back on. How do you do this? Okay, here we go. Then, boom. And then, put his other arm, hand in. Make sure his chain doesn't get stuck. There. Alright. Oh gosh, putting hands are hard. It's there. That's good enough. So here are Hellboy and Judge Red, and as you can see, Judge Red is taller, probably because of the helmet, or something like maybe just because the figure has a bigger scale or something. I don't know. But then, yeah, he's tall. He a big boy. Hellboy's also a big boy, but not as much of a big boy as Dredd. Big boys. This guy's a bigger boy. This guy is a little shorter boy. Not really short because he's very big. Like maybe if oh my goodness, maybe if you like add something and to make him taller, they could be the same height or taller. I'll show you. Let's see if the paint will come off. Nothing. And there's nothing. The paint is good to go. Yeah. Oh my goodness, the hand. Oh.
We got a new video each week, so make sure you like and subscribe, and hit that notifications bell as well. If you have any questions or requests, just comment down below. This is my Zero Macadamia, and always remember, possibilities are endless.